Hi! If you ended up here, it's because you have nothing better to do or you just can't fall asleep. Well, in this video I will try to explain you how to change the LED of your Casio by yourself. F91W was introduced in 1989 and is even to these days one of the most iconic, recognizable and low-cost watches. So let's start with the video. Start by unscrewing the 4-year screws. I know that I'm doing it very fast, but you can do it more calmly. I mean, take your time. We gently remove the gasket, making sure to place it on a clean surface. The metal cover is held by 4 clips. Just lift them a little bit and that's it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
8550 LEDs are the correct one that I will use. Now we must remove the LED by unsoldering it, without overheating the PCB. Then, put some solder on the contacts of the PCB and a little bit on the contacts of the LED. Now, go back and stop the video, because for sure you didn't correctly see the polarity of the LED that I showed you. From now on, I will not speak anymore, because I will go through all the steps in reverse. After having reassembled everything, you need to reset the watch by making contact between the rear metal part and the small hole shown in the video. However, if you continue to see Egyptian hieroglyphs, you are a fool like me, and you haven't closed the clock, making sure that the 4 metal clips are locked in the right position. That's it! Now you have unnecessarily changed the LED of your Casio, or maybe just wasted your time watching this video because you are too lazy to change one damned LED. Let me know if you liked or not this video, leaving a comment below. I'll take that as advice. Thank you for watching, see you at the next useless tutorial.